Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete a photo from Google Photos but not from your device. And firstly let me open my gallery. So right here I have these photos here and let's work with this one. So if I open Google Photos, right here I have this photo, this one, and we will remove this photo. Firstly, in the Google Photos application, you need to click at the profile icon at the right top, and then click at the backup. Firstly, we need to disable backup. So click at the slider have colorful background. And we just disable it. Now let's move to PC. I'm going to use my browser on the PC to remove this photo from Google Photos. So I should open my Chrome browser. You can use another browser, it's up to you. And in the search bar we need to write Google Photos. Then open the first link and make sure that you use your correct account. So you can add account or you can just switch to another account. And this one is mine. And right here I wanna delete this photo. So I select it, 3 dots, and sorry, we don't need to click at the 3 dots, just trash icon and move to the trash. And then let's return to the phone. So we need to write Google Photos and the gallery. As you can see, I still have this photo here. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.